Sim.
Today we will do a volcano eruption. This is our material. It's a spoon for mixing, a spoon for taking, put in a volcano. And this is a sling. This is a cup of water.
What is this?
This is citric acid. This is sodium carbonate that color red.
Oh, I know this. This is a model
Volcano. Yes. It will be like this. Explode like this. Boom!
I think that too. Let's try it.
If you want to know what it looks like, don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe under video too.
Let's go!
Yay! Let's go and do it.
But first we will doing Tom.
We will put a sodium carbonate in the volcano. We
Take a
need this
spoon.
one, a spoon that I say in material. Oops.
Never mind that one.
Yes.
Next we take this in the volcano,
Yes.
right?
Right, it's citric acid.
I like to mix. Can I mix?
Oh yes, of course.
Yay! Thank you, Tom.
Or stir it.
My turn.
Yes.
Just mixing.
Hey, mix. Not that way, this way.
Oh. I was very silly.
Yeah.
Next.
Here, look here. Inside should be like this. Woohoo.
Yes.
And then we put the water. I will put first.
Okay.
Can I?
Yes.
I want to know what it looks like.
Just drop it.
Just one.
Oh my gosh! It's exploder. I like it.
Let's call a firefighter. Firefighter, come here. A volcano is explode. Come
Huh?
here.
I cannot help you because the volcano is too big.
Oh my gosh. This is our volcano. It explode like this.
Wow! Just
Wow.
put it down.
Yeah.
What do you like this activity, Tom? I just very like this activity.
Me too. I really like it. And now it's question time. What is this? Answer is sodium carbonate. What about this?
I don't know.
It's citric acid. What about this?
A cup of water. I know this.
Yes. What about this?
A spoon for eating lunch.
Yes. Now, put like this. Use for put like this.
Oh, thank you, my friend, to listening and watching my video.
Bye-bye.
It's fun to do the volcano explorer. Bye.
Yes.